Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Nikki Roberts and you are welcome. So in this video that you're gonna see, I did makeup. So I've been on a journey to learn to do my makeup, and to me makeup has just been, it's been a fear of mine because there's just so much to deal with and so much going on that I did not start sooner. I did not wanted to do it, but I did this. It's, it's nothing too fancy schmancy. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and if you have any tips and tricks, I would really appreciate that. And thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Have a great day. Bye. Mwah. Hi guys, so I'm still in my bathroom, but this is the end of that makeup. Like, I want you guys to honestly tell me how it is. As you know, I did not use my correct like foundation shade, but I think it came out good. I wanted to do like a red lip with the NYX on a mission, but I could not find it. My little cousin was over here and she is in love with lip gloss, lipstick and all that, and she probably moved it, but I have to go and look for it. So this is what's happening. I don't have like you know the thing that goes around like here. I don't have contour or anything like that. What I showed you is just what I have. I used eyeshadow for my contour, and I don't have anything. I would really like your honest feedback, for you to tell me how it looks. What do you think? If I should change something, just anything. Alright, so let me know. Do I need to blend more? I think I need to blend more, or is it okay? Is what my eyes are looking like. Just a simple eyeshadow, and just like my problem area is my eyes, especially when I put on the mascara on my bottom lash. On the hair gets all, you know, the black stuff goes under there and it's just a whole mess, but we will, you know, we'll try. We'll keep trying. That's it. We'll keep trying. So this is the makeup look for today, and I am excited. Honestly, makeup has just been on my mind lately because I want to try to do makeup, because when I go outside I would want to, you know, like look a little bit more put together and decent. So these days I'm doing my hair, even if I don't put makeup on every day. Let's get that straight. I will get up and do my hair, and that, put some lip gloss on, put earrings in, and maybe just my eyebrows, because my eyebrows are a little bit, you know, they're not bad, but when I do them it looks good, and put just some mascara on, and I'm good to go for the day, with lip gloss as well. So that's what I've been trying to do lately. Hopping on the makeup trend, like, you know, doing my stuff and just like learning. So I hope this was okay. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.